Some questions. Okay. How did World War II affect you personally?
Okay, well, I was in the war of World War II. I was greatly affected by it. Actually, I lost both my arms from it. You know, I don't know if 21 Pilots count as rap because they
Sorry. Well, you know, my uncle was World War II, and he died.
That's how.
About the collapse of the social structure in America following World War II in the 21st century. How did World War II affect you personally? Project, please. We need to catch it on the microphone. What's your favorite rap artist?